Hello everyone, this is Anjali Tyagi. Today I will explain tenses. Tenses are of three types: past tense, present tense and future tense. These tenses can further be categorized into four types: simple tense, continuous tense, perfect tense and perfect continuous tense. As simple past or past indefinite, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Present, simple present or present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Then future, simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. So first of all, let's know about present tense. The present tense is used to describe the current or present being, situation or event. It is a form of the verb that defines the events that are currently happening. Example, I write a letter. We are writing a letter. I have written a letter and I have been writing a letter since 2 o'clock. Past tense. Past tense is used to describe a past activity or action. It is a form of the verb that defines the events that have already occurred. Example, I wrote a letter. I was writing a letter. I had written a letter, or I had been writing a letter. Future tense. The future tense is used to describe the future events that haven't occurred but possibly will occur in the future. It is a form of the verb that will occur in the future and not exist currently. Examples, I will write a letter. I will be writing a letter. I will have written a letter. And I will have been writing a letter. So first of all, let's know about the rules and regulation of simple present tense, or we can say present indefinite tense. Recognition. It is used to express habitual action, just like I play cricket. Second, to express general or universal truth. The sun rises in the east. The following adverbs or adverbial phrases are often used in this tense: usually, generally, always, often, sometimes, etc. Rules of simple present tense. There are three types of sentences: affirmative sentences, negative sentences and interrogative sentences. In affirmative sentences, with singular subject, first form of the verb with s or es is used. With plural subject, first form of the verb with object is used. Examples, he writes a letter. I write a letter. Negative sentences, with singular subject does not and first form of the verb with object is used. With plural subjects, do not plus V1 plus object is used. Examples, he does not write a letter. I do not write a letter. Interrogative sentences, when the sentence is started with helping verb, so helping verb do or does is used first, then subject, then first form of the verb and then object. If we are starting the sentence with question word, question words, what, how, where, why, when. So question word is used first, then do or does, then subject, then first form of the verb and object. Examples, does he write a letter? Why do you write a letter? So in this way, rules of simple present tense have been explained. Thank you very much for listening.